Hello, guys, and welcome to another session with Coach Joe. So, on this session, I'm just going to be um, doing my analysis on gold, just to give you guys a clear idea where we are heading next. Cause for some time now, gold has just been ranging between 2006 or 2007 to uh 2014. So it's all about knowing where the market is pushing next. So from the H4 time frame, you can see that we have price pushing up, you know, pushing up to break this 4 hour resistance level. So we are aware that once price pushes to the upside, we always have a retest just to show that that level is valid. We'll get our retest and it will keep, you know, tanking to the upside. So it's all about where or when price is going to retest. So if you go to the lower time frame, if you have the 1 hour chart, you can always look. They are used between the 1 hour and 15 minutes. But most times, if I'm not looking at the 1 hour or 15 minutes, I'll just stick to the 30 minutes because it's like uh it's like the best combination. You have best of both worlds. You are not too low and you are not also too high. You can spot entries. So if you get to the 1 hour, I just needed to see that the sellers are already in the market. So if you look at our resistance zone, you see this bearish engulfing at the top. So that tells us, okay, we are gonna be hitting the downs because it's on the 1 hour time frame again and on the resistance level. So it's more like a sell to buy trade on gold, and if you guys can get in early enough, you can back at least 100 pip in sell before we move towards the buy structure that aligns with the overall time frame. So this is the ideal scenario from the 1 hour time frame. So with what you have known from the higher time frame, we already tried this shot off the break of the trend line cause again it's good and we are trying to catch like maximum pips on this one, but we got stopped out because price needed to tap this liquidity around this zone, then shot all the way to register a support around this level. Like I said, 2011 7 level, sorry, where price has been ranging uh from that level. If you okay, let's just use the 30-minute time frame because I already recommended that time frame. And yeah, if you look, you see how messy that point is. And from my experience trading the market for about 2 years plus, I've known that once price gets messy around your entry, then it's definitely going to drop, either to the upside or to the downside. It's just trying to gather liquidity, and most times doing a stop hunt for those who use really little to no stop loss on their pairs. So price is just all about taking more liquidity and preparing it for those who are in the profit margin. So you will see that on a 30-minute time frame. That means the 15 minutes will also be clear or will be really clear. And I took my entry. I took my entry off this break to the downside where you see this. So it's more like a break and retest. But if this structure fails, it also means that of course the market has decided otherwise, because our part in this market is only to forecast. You can never predict the next moves. You just forecast a good move so that you are able to capitalize on the move. And if this is gonna hit drop to the downside, you stand to gain at least let me just bring on my position so you guys can see it. You stand to gain, like I said, 100 pips to the downside and just the 40 pip stop. So it's a good risk to reward. You don't go crazy with your risks, especially if price is still retesting this area. So I would like to see price just drop and close below this, close in the green profit margin, so we can start scaling in heavy and then riding all this to the downside. So if we go back few videos, I already made this same strategy on the GBP USD, and it was the fabulous trade. So it's all about knowing when and where to pull the trade out. So I'll just be uploading this quickly so that the trade doesn't leave any of us. So stay locked in, guys. Keep being positive. This is just one of the series where I give out my free trades that I'm currently in. So I do not give out trades I do not take. Yeah. So see you on the next one, and stay positive. Let me know how this trade played out for you in the comment section. You can comment with a break even, you can comment with a win and how many percent, and you can also comment with a loss if that's what happens with the trade, so that on the next one I'll be able to post the buy level, which is on the 4 hour again, and then post this higher profit than this. So this is just like to know where you guys are trading. And if you also see something you would like to talk about as regards the strategy, I would like to see it in the comment section, guys. So peace.